Hi and welcome to another video from Appsmoment Academy. Today we are going to continue to provide different tutorials and videos about how you can grow your app business or to start your app business. So today we have two new features in 2.0 App Builder which I would like to show you in this particular video. So if you'll go to 2.0 panel, you will go to this main dashboard. If you don't have account, you need to create one. And now you need to edit your application or start new application right here. And the first feature which I'd like to mention is when you will go to publication settings. That is regarding using monetize your app. From now on, you can use also Appsmoment interstitial ads. So you can use, for example, interstitial ads, or you can use banner combining with interstitial ads, so it is up to you. Many of you requested this feature, so you can, as I said, monetize your app with interstitial ads. This is feature number one. The second feature which I'd like to show you is that if you'll go to the features section, let's wait a little bit. Okay, here we go. The second feature is that you can use weather feature inside of your application. This one is a really great one, especially when you are creating some local application, for example, for some city or for country, so for restaurant even you can, or for travel industry. This is really great. So you need to select country, postcode or city name, and in which way to show units. Okay, and click save, and you will have, as you can see, very good one where there's information inside of your application. Alright, so as you can see, there are two new features, interstitial ads and weather, now in 2.0 builder. Alright, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now.